In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get level 2 on Steam. Before we jump in, here's the big idea. Steam levels are powered by XP, and XP comes from badges. Level 2 is an early milestone, and you can usually reach it just by using the built-in badges Steam already highlights for you. We'll walk through exactly where to find them and how to finish what's needed so your level ticks up fast. Start by opening the Steam desktop client and making sure you're signed in. Move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over your profile name. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll see a drop-down menu appear beneath your name. This menu is a shortcut to everything about your profile, inventory, and account presence, and it's the quickest path to the page that controls your level progress. From that menu, click Badges. This takes you to your Badges hub, which is essentially your leveling dashboard. If you haven't explored it before, you'll notice sections for badges you've completed, badges that are in progress, and other badge opportunities tied to games or community activity. Treat this page like your XP checklist. It shows exactly what you've earned so far and what you can do next to move the needle. On this page, you can see the badges you already have, how much XP each one granted, and how close you are to the next level. You'll also see entries with a checklist or progress bar. Those are the important ones to focus on because they outline specific actions you can complete right away. Clicking into any badge tile reveals the requirements and whether anything is still pending. Use that detail to understand what counts, so you spend your time on tasks that actually increase your XP. Now, complete all available badges shown here. Start with the simplest built-in community badges. These are quick wins designed to help you level up early. Follow the on-screen checklist for each badge, and as you finish the remaining actions, your progress updates and XP is awarded automatically. Watch the level progress bar near your avatar so you can see exactly when you cross the threshold. If you don't hit level 2 immediately, return to the Badges hub and wrap up any remaining in-progress badges until the bar pushes you over the line. And that's all it takes. Hover over your name, open the badges page, review what you already have, and complete every available badge listed there. Do that and you'll reach level 2 quickly and confidently.